I'll make this topic super easy. Click the subscribe button below and watch this lecture until the end. Stoichiometry. The word stoichiometry comes from two Greek words. Stoichio. Stoichio means element. Metry means measurement. Therefore, stoichiometry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the measurement of the quantitative relationships between amount of reactants and products. The key idea of stoichiometry are the following: one, balanced chemical equation; two, mole relationship; three, mass relationship; four, volume relationship; five, limiting reactant; 6% yield. Any balanced chemical equation provides the following information. For example, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. Let us balance it. 1 mole of nitrogen molecule reacts with 3 mole of hydrogen molecule to produce 2 mole of ammonia molecule. In this chemical reaction, the coefficient of nitrogen molecule is 1, the coefficient of hydrogen molecule is 3, the coefficient of ammonia molecule is 2. Mole of nitrogen molecule is 1, mole of hydrogen molecule is 3, mole of ammonia molecule is 2. There is 1 nitrogen molecule, there are 3 hydrogen molecule, and there are 2 ammonia molecule. Number of atoms: we have 2 hydrogen atoms in the reactant side, we have 6 hydrogen atoms in the reactant side, and we have 2 nitrogen atoms in the product side, and we have 6 hydrogen atoms in the product side. Molar mass: nitrogen 28 gram, 3 hydrogen molecule 6 gram, 2 ammonia molecule 34 gram. Volume: 22.4 liter at STP for nitrogen molecule, 3 into 22.4 liter for 3 hydrogen molecule, 2 into 22.4 liter for ammonia at STP. State: nitrogen molecule is gas, hydrogen molecule is gas, and ammonia molecule is also a gas. More problems: how many moles of nitrogen are needed to react with 13.5 moles of hydrogen to form ammonia? As a chemical reaction, 3 mole of hydrogen molecule react with 1 mole of nitrogen molecule to form 2 mole of ammonia molecule. Now the question here is that for 13.5 mole of hydrogen needs how many moles of nitrogen? Let us establish atom ratio. Hydrogen molecule to nitrogen molecule ratio. The balanced chemical reaction for 3 mole of hydrogen molecule, it needs 1 molecule of nitrogen molecule. Therefore, for 13.5 mole of hydrogen needs Y mole of nitrogen molecules. Now let us multiply cross. 3 into Y is equal to 13.5 into 1. Now 3Y equals 30.5. Let us divide both sides by 3. Y equal to 4.5 mole of nitrogen required for 13.5 mole of hydrogen. Mass problem: how many grams of aluminum metal must be heated to produce 20.4 grams of aluminum oxides? Let us write the balanced chemical equation. 4 mole of aluminum react with 3 mole of oxygen molecule to form 2 mole of aluminum oxide. The question here is that to produce 20.4 grams of aluminum oxide, we need how many grams of aluminum metals? Let us set up proportion of aluminum to aluminum oxides. Molar mass of aluminum is equal to 118 gram for mole of aluminum, and the molar mass of 2 mole of aluminum oxide is 204 gram. Therefore, to produce 204 gram of aluminum oxide, we must need 108 gram. Therefore, to produce 20.4 gram of aluminum oxide, we need Y gram of aluminum metals. Let us cross them. 100 gram of aluminum times 20 gram of 20.4 gram is equal to Y into 204 grams. 2203.2 gram is equal to Y into 204 gram. Now divide both sides by